Today, I'd like to discuss with you guys, my friends, and everyone. I'd like to introduce you to how to make money in Nigeria by trading stock, trading companies. First, I hope you know the meaning of stocks. Stocks, buying shares of a company, meaning that you are an ownership of that company. No matter the size, the number of shares you buy of a company, it means that you have a piece of that company and you can sell it for a higher price. How can you do that? I will introduce to you a platform with zero balance. You can start. You download the app for free. Once you download the app, you would start with any amount you have, but the app itself is free. Trading stock in Nigeria is not without a risk, and I must mention that to you. However, most of the risk, majority of the risk has been mitigated by Nigerian Stock Exchange. This is why you now have a platform, different platforms. You no longer need a stock broker here and there, except you choose to go and put your fund in a stock broking firm hand. You can now do it yourself. You can do it from the comfort of your phone. You can do it from your system. You can do it from home. You can be on a beach and be trading stocks and you will make money. You don't need a lot of money to start with. You need just download the app, zero balance. If you have 5 naira, 10 naira, if you have 5,000 naira, you can start with and you would make money. Let me explain to you the app I want to introduce you to. When I downloaded the app about 4 years ago, the app was not free. I was meant to pay 5 million naira cash upfront to get the app. 4 years ago, I paid 5 million naira just to have the access to the app, to be able to trade. I have no regret. I've made money. I've made more money than that. I've been trading stocks since then, even before the app. But ever since I downloaded the app, a lot of things I do, I make money trading stocks, different stocks. You don't need 5 million naira again. You need zero to get the app. Now begin to trade. If it's 10,000 naira you have, 5,000 naira you have, then you can start. Friends, I will introduce you to STANBIC IBTC stock broking app. STANBIC IBTC stock broking app. Start with zero balance. You download the app. Guys, when I downloaded this app, I repeat, I paid 5 million naira. Ask those who own the app. You don't need to pay any amount again. It is free. Zero. It is not only STANBIC that has access, this kind of app. There are other apps. But I'm using STANBIC and I know it is free. There's no hidden charge at all. Now, so I will take you through the process of downloading, and all you need to do is download and register. You filled your name, you filled your CSCS. If you don't know what is CSCS, Google CSCS, register CSCS. CSCS is the number, is the code that you have that is synonymous to you. It is for you. Without CSCS, you can trade. However, you need CSCS for accountability. For every stock you buy, it will be registered under your CSCS. It is free. Guys, just like you open a bank account, you need your BVN, your ID card, date of birth, and all this information, your home address, telephone number. It is easy. The CSCS is to tag you to every stock you buy. Gone are the days when you're looking for one broker around, when somebody's you're calling them, they're not answering you. No, you can buy shares now yourself and you can sell it yourself. You will get your money back within 3 working days. When you make it easier for yourself, you open the STANBIC account and you're trading on STANBIC. It's even seamless. My brother, you don't have to open STANBIC. You can open GT, you can open any bank. It is seamless. Within 3 working days, you will get your money. You see, gone are the days when you think, I mean, don't even think that it's only the likes of big people that buy shares. No, you buy. You can buy Dangote, Nigerian Brewery, Guinness. You don't want to know how much I've made on Guinness the last 2 weeks till date. Guinness is now, is it 68 naira or so? You know how much I bought Guinness? Maybe 19 naira. 3 times, 3-fold. My guy, you make money. Stop loitering around online and looking for Yahoo, looking for nonsense to do. You make money, guys, doing it yourself. Just register and that's it. Any amount you have, instead of buying food that you cannot afford, that you're buying by force, instead of buying 100 naira plate, buy 50 naira, buy shares 50 naira and trade. That's how you build your wealth, my guy. Start trading stocks, Nigerian stocks. I don't even want to mention that of the US because you'll be afraid that, oh, dollar, these are, forget. Start with naira. You would make money. Let me take you through the process of opening the account and all that. We are looking at the website for STANBIC IBTC broker. From the website, you would see on the home page, you will see this same picture that is showing 0 naira open account. Just click on it. Once you click on it, it takes you to this page where you have notice. Dear client, thank you for your interest in opening an account with STANBIC IBTC brokers. Kindly note that you will be required to upload the following: a recent passport size photograph, 2 means of identification. This could be any of the following: valid international passport. This is just normal procedure, right? Proof of address, a validity bill, utility bill, instances where proof of address, this is normal, like you're opening a bank account. And these are the prerequisites here: personal profile, bank details, identification, next of kin, summary. It is simple. It as simple as this. Nothing more. Once you do that, then you would be able to proceed. Right now, if I click on yes, let me click on yes. You see, now it's asking me to fill all this information. I've already done this because I have the account already. So all you need to do is fill your information and you submit it, and they will get back to you. It could take a day or 2, but if you want it urgent, you can even go to the branch and submit document. This is the process of downloading the app. If you're using an iPhone, you go on the App Store, you type in STANBIC IBTC stock, you get this app. It shows you STANBIC IBTC stock broking. You click on download to download the app. Once you download the app, you need to register. The app is downloading. As you can see, my network is a bit slow. Guys, you have seen the process of opening the account. You have seen it yourself. It's easy. Don't wait again. Now listen to this. If for whatever reason you are not confident to do this yourself, or you still think there's magic about it, check Elite Pro Investment Management. Elite Pro Investment Management is an investment management firm. Check I'll put the link to their Instagram and YouTube. In fact, their website. If you can't do it yourself, give them the money, they will do it for you. But You don't even have to do that. Download it and do yourself. There is no risk that that you cannot bear there. The risk is that Nigeria can collapse one day. Is that a risk? Is Nigeria not already falling apart? My brother, you make money. Trust me. Forget, economy is bad. Inflation. This is how you can hedge your inflation. This is how you can stay above your inflation. You don't have to quit your job. Just any amount, start with. Do it as hustle. Legit hustle. Legit hustle on the side. I'm doing it. I have my daily work. I have my businesses. And I'm still doing that. My guy, hustle. Thank you for listening. Bye.